Well, good morning. I have been dragging my feet. Actually, it's kind of nice to relax out here southeast of Deadwood, South Dakota. Yeah, I actually got to stay with a buddy of mine and his wife out here in this beautiful cabin. And it's only 2 miles of gravel road, and saw some deer this morning and walking out here in the woods, and got to see a couple of deer on the way in the last video I posted. So we're gonna get going. I got to get over to Black Hills Harley Davidson and see Amsoil Adam. One question I have for you guys is, when I was going around the right-hand curve, not real hard, not real fast, I heard like a humming noise in my front end, and I'm just wondering, either A, it's tire, or B, it's bearing noise. So I'm gonna go over there and talk to Amsoil Adam and see what he thinks. Maybe they can get it on a lift if they're not too busy. The tire, there's nothing loose or nothing like that, so yeah, we're gonna go check that out. And so anyway, hope you all are having a good time up here in South Dakota, and thank you for subscribing to the channel. I appreciate it. And let's go see if we can say hi to some more strangers and see if they're having a good time. What do you think? So let's get going. Well, they are swamped, and they don't do front wheel bearings. They don't look at them or nothing. So when they got rid of the tire business, that's when they stopped. So he mentioned someone down there by J&P Cycle in downtown Sturgis. So I might run down there and ask Scotty if he's down there and see if they do them. So try it out. Either that or it's the dealership, and it's probably a all-day wait on that. well, I got to be back here at 7:30 in the morning to get in line to do my bearings. And while I was here, I did get my book signed by Scooter Tramp Scotty. Good guy. He'll talk to anybody, so he'll talk to you like he's known you forever. So that's cool. Randy said that they'll be good for the day. So I got to get up early and get over here, so I can't have too many cold snacks tonight, okay? He's a good guy. You know, he talks to you like he's known you for years.
I love his philosophy about life.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
Just the easy life.
Yeah. He's an excellent guy. He'll talk to you like he's known you forever, you know? Well, everyone, I'm back in Deadwood, and I'm at one of my favorite places in Deadwood. It's actually the city park, just a little bit south of the hospital. And if you're actually on your bike and riding through Deadwood and you need, say you have a little slight emergency going on, but you don't need to go to the hospital, like, you know, your gut's rumbling from the $15 cheeseburgers or the $10 burrito at Taco John's or something like that, they actually have restrooms right there, and they are clean. They're not the concrete type of restroom. They are actually remodeled restrooms. They have running water, running toilet, urinal. They are super clean, and yes, there is TP in there. So, and I just like to sit and watch the motorcycles go by and chill out a little bit. But yeah, I gotta be back in Sturgis early in the morning, say 7 o'clock, 7:30 at the latest, and I'm going to be getting my front wheel bearings replaced, because I've noticed on a right-hand curve I could hear woo, 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 and then I'd straighten out and you wouldn't hear it. I actually visited with Scooter Tramp Scotty, and you know, and he said, yeah, they can do them for you. And you know, their money maker is the oil changes and the tires, so I guess it's a first come, first serve kind of thing for the wheel bearings. So Randy told me to get there early. And Scotty actually signed my book, because last year I didn't have my book with me. And if you guys have never purchased a book by a biker, Josie's Journey by Scooter Tramp Scotty, it's a really good book, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm halfway through it. I just have not had time to usually in the winter time I get to open it up, because me being a truck driver and things go on in life, and you know, get home, sit and relax, watch TV, watch the news, I should say. I should be reading when I come home and relaxing my mind. So we're not going to do anything too crazy tonight, since I got to get up way early in the morning. Hopefully it won't be raining. Talked to my buddy. Well, I didn't talk to him, I texted him. He said they were down there, I don't know, riding Iron Mountain Road and Spearfish or Needles Highway in the rain. So I'm guessing it probably quit raining now. So Well, I might take a ride down to Hill City, South Dakota and see what's going on down there. Or I might just sit here and watch the motorcycles go by. So, we'll see y'all in a little bit. Be safe. You guys got to see what just pulled in here. You guys are going to get a kick out of this. Wow. Well, I couldn't show too much of the rider because, yeah, okay. Stephanie and Moe, I think was the name of the dog or the rider and the dog. Gosh, I can't even talk. Okay, I'm done. time of night that the deer are moving, because I just had 2 different spots within about 3 miles of buck deer crossing the road. So the second one was a little closer, and I'm not running hot, so I'm just kind of taking my time. Thank you for subscribing, everyone that has subscribed to the channel, and hope everybody rides safe, has been safe, no mishaps, stuff like that. So I had a good time today. I didn't have any plans. I just did whatever. I stayed out of the rain. I pretty much stayed north. I hung out, spearfish, and hung out in Deadwood down there at the city park for a couple hours, and met up with my buddy and his wife and another couple, and went to Wild Bill Saloon or whatever it is, and had a cold snack there, and then I came out here. So we will talk at you later. Say hi to a stranger, thank a veteran, and we'll see you on the next one. Say bye. Hey everybody, I'm at Randy's Cycle Shack. You need tires, brakes, bearings, oil changes. Stop in there on Lozelle Street next to the gas station, close to the Indian dealer, right off 90, and get there early, get on the list.